Hey folks, this is Mark Kelly with Inbound Revenue again. I just wanted to talk a little bit today about new agencies and the types of Google Ads clients that you should target. If you have a fairly new agency and you're just getting into offering Google Ads to your clients. So the ideal thing, if you're a new agency, I would say is go after the low-hanging fruit for Google Ads. What do I mean by low-hanging fruit for Google Ads? I mean, look at our list of top 50 niches on our fast launch niches on the Inbound Revenue website. It's right there on the main menu. Look over that list. These are niches that are typically going to do very well in Google Ads. You're going to have good results with these niches. What you don't want to pick are some of the most difficult niches to start out. And I'll list some of those for you. You don't want to start out with anything that's going to require probably a certification from Google Ads in order to run your ads. So that would be locksmiths. That would be garage door companies. You're going to have to get your client certified, and they're going to have to go through a process before they can run ads. Those are just two niches that Google is really funny about. The other thing that I want you to avoid is anything medically related, because anything medical is going to require, even med spas, and I'm talking about some particular services that med spas like to offer. Now, if you want to do generic med spa ads, that's cool. Med spa near me, even cool sculpting is okay, things like that. But if you get into areas that require an injection or require a brand name, you're really going to have to jump through a lot of hoops with Google before you can run those ads, and even after you run them, because we've run them where Google will, you'll start out, you'll run the ads, and then Google finds something on your landing page or the client's website that doesn't meet their guidelines, and then boom, all of a sudden your ads are stopped, and you have to go through a process. It could be a difficult one to try to get those ads reapproved. What can be difficult about it? First of all, if you're talking about injections or you're using brand names, you're going to have to go through a medical certification with Google Ads. So start with something much easier. If you're so the medical, the pharmaceutical certifications are very difficult, time consuming. So don't start there. Just pick some low hanging fruit. Go for roofing or landscaping or anything pool related, or, dog training, or anything off our list of 50, top 50 PPC niches. Start easy, get yourself familiar with our processes, get yourself familiar with Google Ads before you dive into the tough ones. Another one would be anything financial. Google's going to, sorry about that, if you heard that beep. Google is going to be very difficult and challenging for anything that's, related to financial, Forex, crypto. Pick the easy stuff. That's the lesson to draw from this video.